Hello children, good morning. How are everyone? Are you all okay? Hope you all are doing your studies. You all are comfortably sitting at home, I know that. Nice, cool and pleasant the atmosphere is. All that is fine, but keep in mind that you're going to face your test paper on Monday, so please be prepared. So let's just do a very quick revision on that. So keep your books ready, keep your text and your notebook ready, and please spend some time to study. Okay, don't waste your time. So let's begin with the poem, The Wind. Take page number. That's no page numbers given. Okay, take that poem, that page. The Wind. That's the first lesson in this. Take that lesson page. No page number. I'm still saying page. I'm sorry. Okay, let's begin with the wind. Who has seen the wind? What's the first line? Who has seen the wind? And remind you, when you write the poem, always begin with a capital letter. And it has to be written line by line. The poem should be written line by line. That means the first line, this is the first line, who has seen the wind. You can't write this line along with this. So when you write it in your book or in your paper, in your answer sheet, you cannot write the second line along with the first line. Follow. Okay. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. That means it is me or you, not seen. But when the leaves keep trembling, hang trembling, not keep, when the leaves hang trembling, trembling means when it shakes, the wind is passing through. You know, when the leaves are moving, we can make out that the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down means to bend down, their heads. What is the head of the trees? Yes, those branches which is grown high, that will be bent down as the breeze keep moving, the air keep moving. The wind is passing by. That's how you make out the wind is passing. The trees, they bow down their heads. They stoop down, bend down their heads, and that time you know the wind is passing by. So we shall repeat once again. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. No, N-O-R is no. But when the leaves hang trembling. How do you spell trembling? T-R-E-M is trembling, B-L-I-N-G. See, whenever you write the spelling, go sound-wise, so you will be able to write it without making any mistake. T-R-E-M is trembling, B-L-I-N-G. T-R-E-M-B-L-I-N-G is trembling. The wind is passing through. The wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? That is the next stanza. What is the meaning of stanza? Yes, every 4 line is called a stanza. Who has seen the wind? Now the punctuation mark also is very necessary when you write a poem, and the author's name. Author means the person who has written this is called the author. Author's name is Christina Rossetti. So when you write a poem, you have to also write the author's name. So once again, I shall start from the beginning. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Next answer. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. Here it is changed. The first stanza, it is I nor you. Here it is you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. So this we have learned in the very beginning of the class, and I'm sure everybody have learned that thoroughly. Okay. So now the statements and questions. Questions means interrogation statement is a question. Statement means when you are saying something and it ends up with a full stop. The sea is blue. Is that a question or a statement? It's a statement. Did you like the story? Did you like the story? This is an interrogation sentence, so this is a question mark. It is ending with a question mark. The statement, which is asked just now, it's an interrogation sentence, so end of the sentence you put a punctuation mark as question mark. We have 5 sense organs. That's a statement, so you put a full stop. How do birds build their nest? That is also a question, so you use the punctuation mark as question mark. How do you do? So what is the punctuation mark you use there? Yes, of course, it is question mark. We are going to see the doctor. Is it a interrogation sentence? No, it is a statement. So here we again use a full stop. Now, how is everything? Or how are you? How are you moving? How are you going? All these are questions. See, when you use what, why, which, who, when, how, these are all question words. So remember that you need to put the punctuation mark as question mark. Right. Okay. Now, here, rewrite the words in the correct order to form into a proper sentence. Rewrite the words. The words will be given in a disorder that you have to make it into the proper order. Only then it makes a sensible sentence. So I shall write some words over here and we'll rewrite that to form into a proper sentence. Evening, 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 ill, fell, evening, ill, fell, I, last. I wrote on the board, evening, ill, fell, I, last. So how do you rearrange this to get into a sensible sentence? Now you can't use evening as written over here. This is now here in small letters. We know that we begin a sentence with a capital letter. End this statement. If it is a statement, you will end up with a full stop. Only if it is an interrogation sentence, we use question mark. So here I have written evening, ill, fell, I, last. How do you rearrange this sentence? First, you write I. And one more thing, whenever you use I single, not having any other letters along with it, use it as capital letter. Now, again I am telling you that you begin a sentence with a capital letter, and the other thing what I told you, I. The letter I is single. It comes alone. You use capital letter. You cannot write small letter. That's the rule. Okay. So, I fell ill last evening. That means last evening means the previous evening I was not keeping well. Fell ill means I was not keeping well. So first, how do you use I? So you begin with capital letter I. Fell ill last evening. I fell ill last evening. E-V-E-N-I-N-G, evening. Now what is the punctuation mark you use here? Yes, full stop. That is to show that sentence is completed. I fell ill last evening. Ill means was not keeping well. Next one. Your subject favorite, F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E, favorite is what? Is what? Now do you ask anyone like this, your subject favor is what? No. So you have to form into the proper order to get a sensible sentence. So what is the first word you use? Yes, what is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? After that, you should use a question mark because this is an interrogation sentence. It is an interrogation sentence. So this is how you make the words in the proper order. I shall come back.